Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to become a business analyst. This career is perfect for those who love working with data and helping companies make better decisions. Let's dive into the steps you need to take to become a successful business analyst. First, let's understand what business analysts do. Business analysts bridge the gap between IT and business by using data analytics to assess processes, determine requirements, and deliver data-driven recommendations. They help companies improve their products, services, and processes. To become a business analyst, you need a solid educational foundation. Here are the key steps. 1. Complete high school. Focus on subjects like mathematics, economics, and computer science. Good grades will help you get into a good university. 2. Earn a bachelor's degree. Most business analysts have a degree in business administration, finance, computer science, or a related field. Key skills for business analysts include 1. Data analysis. You need to be able to interpret complex data and make recommendations. 2. Communication. Strong verbal and written communication skills are crucial for explaining your findings to stakeholders. 3. Problem solving. You must be able to identify problems and come up with effective solutions. 4. Technical skills. Familiarity with data analysis tools like Excel, SQL, and software like Tableau or Power BI is beneficial. Experience is important. Here are some ways to gain it. 1. Internships. Look for internships in business analysis or related fields to get hands-on experience. 2. Entry-level jobs. Start in positions like data analyst, business consultant, or project coordinator to build relevant experience. 3. Certifications. Consider getting certifications like CBAP, Certified Business Analysis Professional, or CAPM, Certified Associate in Project Management, to boost your resume. Building a professional network can open doors for you. Attend industry conferences, join professional associations like the International Institute of Business Analysis, IIBA, and participate in online forums and groups related to business analysis. When you're ready to apply for jobs, here are some tips. 1. Tailor your resume. Highlight relevant skills, experiences, and certifications. 2. Prepare for interviews. Research the company and practice answering common business analyst interview questions. 3. Showcase your skills. During interviews, be ready to discuss past projects and how you've used data analysis to solve problems. And that's how you become a business analyst. It's a career that offers a lot of opportunities to make a real impact in a company. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on exploring different careers. See you in the next video.